Daily Tax Minute. This is Tony Novak here to share a few points on how to stay out of tax trouble. Let's jump right in. Today's topic is dealing with a private debt collector. More and more states and the IRS are using private companies, debt collectors, to collect past due taxes. The fact is that private companies are proven more effective than government employees in accomplishing that goal. There are a couple of problems or counter arguments. We're not going to get into that today. In this 1 minute we're going to list the three options you have if you are dealing with a private debt collector. One is to deal with it yourself, and the private debt collector's job is to make sure that you do, with calls and letters and maybe even texting nowadays. I'm not sure to what extent, but I hear of it. So they want to get your attention. That's number one, and force you to deal with it. The second option you have is to appoint a representative, and you're entitled to that under the tax law. And the third option you have is to have the matter referred back to the government agency that's collecting the tax. And let me point out, and probably the most important thing of this tax minute, is that those choices are mutually exclusive. You do not appoint a representative and then continue to talk to the debt collector. You do not have the case referred back to the IRS and continue to work with the debt collector. Those are all mutually exclusive choices. And that's the first conversation probably that we should have if you're talking with me about helping out with a tax that's with a private debt collector. I'd love to hear your experience with private debt collectors. I'm easy to reach. Taxproblems.cpa at the bottom of the screen. And I'd love to hear your experience and ideas and suggestions, or whether you've just found some problems I didn't mention. All right, I'll be back tomorrow with another Tax Minute.